Hey everyone, welcome to our quick intro to the gallery walk method. This is a fun way to explore complex topics in a visually engaging and interactive manner.
I'm Larissa and this is Yuri. We're here to show you how a gallery walk works. It's like a walk-through exhibit where you explore different stations, each with its unique content.
Exactly. Think of it like a museum, but instead of art, you're looking at information infographic and case studies that help you understand the topic from different angles.
In this method, you set up different exhibits around the room. Each exhibit has a theme or focus area. For example, one might be about how social media affects mental health, while another could be about case studies or tips for healthier social media use.
As you walk through the gallery, you get to absorb the information at your own pace. You can discuss with others, ask questions, and take notes on what you find interesting or important.
It's a great way to engage with complex topics, especially in a group setting. Plus, it's more dynamic than a traditional presentation or lecture.
If you want to learn more about the gallery walk method and how to set it up, check out the document linked below. It includes all the details like preparation materials and some excellent content ideas for each exhibit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, share it with other youth workers that you know. Thank you.